We must protect forests to help reduce climate change. We must protect forests to help reduce climate change.
Taking short breaks can help improve focus at work. Taking short breaks can help improve focus at work.
Time management is important during exam periods. Time management is important during exam periods.
Smartphones are used for both work and fun. Smartphones are used for both work and fun.
Eating fruits and vegetables supports the immune system. Eating fruits and vegetables supports the immune system.
A good resume is important when applying for a job. A good resume is important when applying for a job.
New medicines help people live longer and healthier lives. New medicines help people live longer and healthier lives.
Listening skills are important for clear communication. Listening skills are important for clear communication.
People use budgets to control their spending. People use budgets to control their spending.
Teachers explain ideas and answer student questions. Teachers explain ideas and answer student questions.
Recycling helps reduce the amount of waste we produce. Recycling helps reduce the amount of waste we produce.
Public transport helps reduce traffic in busy cities. Public transport helps reduce traffic in busy cities. Teachers often give homework to review key ideas. Teachers often give homework to review key ideas.
Smartwatches can track sleep and health data. Smartwatches can track sleep and health data.
Mental health is just as important as physical health. Mental health is just as important as physical health.